Welcome to the in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to turn on autocorrection on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the system and update section. Now just click here to the language and input, and here we got our default keyboard, the Swift keyboard. Just click here once and type to the click to the typing. Here you'll see the typing and autocorrect, and as can you see here we got the autocorrection feature. Just to turn on the autocorrect, you should click once on the switcher, and to turn it off you should click on the switcher again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.